Alright, so today I'm just going to be demonstrating what we would expect from an A standard student in Year 9 who would be given the question chocolate boxes from the textbook. So the question states Joshua has been asked to design a new brand for a box for the new brand of chocolate. Assuming there is no overlap, which of these designs would use less cardboard? So as you can see, type 1 is a rectangular prism and type 2 is a triangular prism. Now, from an A standard, we would assume that they would be thinking and drawing all of their stuff. So they would be justifying their thinking. So first, we need to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. Now, using their previous knowledge, they will know how to find the area of a rectangle. So, in the think section, we would expect to see that there is 2 rectangular bases and 4 rectangular sides. And in the draw section, you would see these drawn out with 2 different rectangular sides and a rectangular base. Next, in the think section, we would assume that they know the rule of area equals length times width, and therefore they will be applying that in their draw section. So they are to find rectangle 1 area, which is 20 by 4, rectangle 2, which is 20 by 4 again, and the base, which is 4 by 4, which is 16. Next, they need to find the total surface area. So the sum of each of the area is 2 of each shape. Therefore, the surface area equals 2 by rectangle 1 plus rectangle 2 and the base. We do this because we know that there are 2 rectangular bases and we only found 1, and there are 4 rectangular sides and we only found 2. So therefore, we need to times this all by 2. The final answer comes out to be 352 centimetres. Therefore, type 1 uses 352 centimetres square of cardboard. Type 2, we also need to find the surface area, this time of a triangular prism. This time they will be using their knowledge of finding the area of a rectangle and a triangle as well. So in the thinking section, they are to know that there are 5 faces, 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. As there are 3 rectangles and none of them are the same, we need to draw out each of those and also draw out the triangle. They are to be labelled for an A standard as well. So finding the area of the triangular base would be using area equals half the base times height. That should be written in their thinking section, as well as using the exact same rule for area equals length times width of the rectangular bases. So in the draw section, we would expect to see, base equals half times 3 by 4, which are your base and heights, which equals 6 centimetres squares, and then the 30 by 3 for rectangle 1, 30 by 5 for rectangle 2, and 30 by 4 for rectangle 3. We then need to find the surface area once again by totaling the sum of all the areas of faces, including 2 of the bases. As there is 2 of the rectangles, there are 2 of the triangles, and we've only calculated 1. So, surface area equals 2 times the base plus rectangle 1 plus rectangle 2 and rectangle 3. That should all be seen in the thinking area, and in the working out area we should see all our totals there. We come to a 372 total. Therefore, you can see that type 1 will be the better option of the 2, as it uses 20 centimetres less cardboard and will be the best option for the new design. This, once again, is an A standard question with all complete working out, measurements and correct formulas. Thank you. Hope this helps.